Good morning. I am going to go through with you the procedure of how we're going to have our launch day for our bottle rockets. So the first thing you're going to do is get your bottle rocket that is completed. You're going to go to a sink in your classroom, and there will be provided for you a measuring device that will have 500 milliliters marked on it. You're going to fill it up to 500 milliliters. I don't know if you can zoom in on that, Mr. Lang. Got it? And then you're going to carefully pour it into your bottle rocket. If a little bit spills out like that, it's not a big deal. Go slowly, not a rush. Okay. When you are finished filling this up and everyone else in your class has filled up their bottle rocket, I know, off and away. Hold on, let me turn off my cell phone. Off and away, Missy Zell. Okay. You're going to get up and orderly. We're going to go outside to launch our rockets. Careful, Mr. Lang. Backwards. Hello, Mr. Cameron. Wave to Mr. Cameron, everyone. Hello, good morning. Okay, so we are going to be launching on the very edge of the parking lot, and we're going to be lining up by the brick wall. And I want to remind you, as we're walking over there, that you need to line up in bottle rocket order. No one is going to have a repeat of the number in each core class. So, as we're walking over here, Mr. Lang, show them where we're walking to, over this way. This is the wall that you're seeing right now that we are going to line up against. We're going to start our line right here. Under the bus loading zone sign. Just no parking sign. So, if you're bottle rocket number 1, you'd be from Mr. O'Brien's class, and you're going to be standing right here waiting to launch. Then this is where the launching is going to happen, in this striped area in the parking lot. Okay, our launcher will be set up right about here, and it will be pointed straight up in the air. While you are waiting to launch your bottle rocket, you are going to be standing against this wall with your partner. Remember, in bottle rocket order. So how do you think you're going to find out where you belong in the line? That's right. You ask the other people around you, and you guys are so smart, I know you're going to figure out how to count up from 0 to 100. So when you're waiting, please be respectful of the people around you, and please don't mess around. Because remember, you're going to be recording every single launch time that happens. So let's talk a little bit about how that's
Can you repeat that, Missy Zell?
You're going to be recording every launch time of every rocket that is launched.
Every student recording every single launch. That's right, yes. On the back page of your packet.
So your packet and your pencil are also going to be with you as you come out here today. We should have enough clipboards or whiteboards for you to write on, and that is something that you're going to carry out with your bottle rocket. Now, if you have a partner, it'd be very helpful if someone holds the rocket and maybe someone else holds the supplies like the pencil and the clipboards and stuff like that. So when it's your turn, you're going to come up, you're going to hand your bottle rocket to Mr. Lang or myself, and we're going to have 2 bottles launched at the same time. And one side of the launcher is going to be for odd numbers and one side is going to be for even numbers. And as this happens, there will be, on each side, there will be someone standing with a scoreboard that says what rocket number is being launched. And then on the other side of the launcher, there'll be someone with another scoreboard that will tell you the number of the rocket being launched. So when that happens and the rocket launches, we'll have 2 people timing, and when they have agreed on the time that it was aloft, they will write it on a whiteboard that's approximately this big, so that they don't have to yell any numbers off to you. They will have it recorded, and then you can see what the time is. So you need to pay attention because every single time that something is launched, there is going to be a different number being recorded. So that's how we're going to do it today, and I thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Bye.
Thanks, Missy Zell.